Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. This is Jimmy, aka Savvy Crypto Investor. Looking forward to bringing you an update on BitConnect. Let's log into my dashboard here. As you can see, I have a lending wallet of $14.34. Let's look at our daily accrued interest earnings. Let's see, we got 0.97, and then yesterday we got 0.42. Today we're getting 1.46, which will be awesome, and tomorrow 0.98. Our 30-day average is 0.87. Our 6-month average is down to 0.95, but our last 7 days is sitting at 0.91%. Okay, so let's go back. I need to update my spreadsheet. So investment calculator. So we're going to go, where are we at? Where are we at? Why are we way up here? So there's 0.97, and I believe I said 0.46%. Oops. And then 1.46%. Actually, I think it was 0.42, right? Or something. And then 0.97 will be tomorrow. And I need to update this. So go down. Okay, so today is December 17th, and I should be able to drop $10 in there, which I can. I'm sitting at a little over $14, so I'm a little bit higher on my average, but then today hasn't ended yet. I still have a couple more interest payments to come in, so actually I'm already ahead. So I mean, this just goes to show this is relative, and if there's any referral income interest payments, then it's not going to be reflected in here because I'm not counting that at this point in time. This is just strictly off of my original investment, okay, in case you're wondering why there's a discrepancy. Okay, so I should have one today, and I also should have one tomorrow. And there were a couple days where I had more than a couple days in a row where I was able to reinvest $10 daily. But it looks like I'm still going to be interesting. I think January 24th was my original date that I was going to be able to do or put in $10 every day daily. But it looks like that's actually going to be February 3rd now. But the interesting part is, based on the interest rate, 0.94, I need to change it to 0.95%. Oh, come on now. Oh, it looks like it's still January 24th. Okay, that works. That's great. And then it looks like February 13th will be my very first $20 reinvestment. And then very soon after, April 10th, I think previously it was April 13th on a previous video that I did, I should be able to start making $20 reinvestments daily. And then from there, it happens a little bit faster for each level, 30, 40, 50, all the way up to $100. So what I might do is, if I get to $50 here, I might hold it for a day or two and reinvest $100 at a time. Now, I've proven mathematically that it's better to reinvest $10 per day at your most minimum level. Okay, over time you'll make more money. But let's do a quick calculation real quick. Let's say I get to 50 right here. Let's say I get to $50 investment every day. Okay, and instead of doing 50, let's change this to 100. Oh, before we do that, okay, so we're gonna just on July 19th we're gonna decide to do $100 a day, right? We're just gonna compare just for quick comparison. Okay, just real quick comparison. Our ultimate goal would be to jump up to $1,000 per day, or $1,000 at a time investment. But let's check this out. So let's go down to 365 days. Okay, right here. So we're looking at $12,980. and $127 a day accrued interest. 12,980. All right, let's go back up here. Okay, so we're going to change this number from 10 to 100. Okay, and then we're going to drag this down. Did I do it right? I did not. I'm going to drag this down. Drag this down. I'm going to go all the way down to 365. Oops, I went way too far. Okay, so check this out. It was 12,980, and now it drops it down to 12,860. Now, what's interesting is we would have had $127 a day earned interest, but now, oh, I read that wrong. Okay, so instead of 127 earned interest daily, we're sitting at 121. So that goes to prove that that does not work. Let me hit the Control Z one time, Control Z a second time, and let me do it a third time, and a fourth time, fifth time. Okay, so that fixes all of it. Let's go back down to 365. You can see that we're at 12,980 again, and 122. So I was wrong. And I was looking here for some reason, but I should have been looking here. So estimated daily interest earned 122. So we would be losing $1 of interest gained per day, and we would be sitting $100, a little less than $100 less. But remember, over a longer period of time, that will have a much more significant impact. Okay? So I've just proved again that it's better to invest as soon as possible, okay, in increments. Now, let's say we get to where we're earning $100 a day, okay? Right here, we're earning $100 a day. I'm going to change this one to 1,000. You know, again, before I do this, let's go check this out. Let's go down to 720 or 730, excuse me, right here. So we would have 396,000. Ooh, wow. Based on my current projections over 2 years, I'll have $396,000. Okay, now let's go back up here. Let's go to our first daily earned interest of $100. And let's change this to 1,000. Okay, so now you know it's going to take about 10 days in order to accumulate $1,000 at this point. So now all we're really interested in is finding out where we will sit once we get to 730 days. Look at that. Okay, so a lot of people are saying to save that $100. Once you get to $100 a day and earn interest, save it and reinvest $1,000. Now the benefit is you get a little bit of a bonus, 0.1% increase. All right, but the problem is, you know, let's do this. I'm going to go back up here. Redo my math. Here's our first day, right? Let's change this. Let's put this here, and we'll do plus 0.1. Okay? Just, no, we can't do that yet. We can't do that until we have one full $1,000 reinvestment. And the whole balance doesn't get the 1%. That's part of the problem. It's just the $1,000, right? Each time you invest $1,000, that accumulates 0.1% extra, but not the entire balance. So listen, I'm going to stick to my original estimate. I'm going to say it's better just to keep reinvesting as much as possible. Okay? So I don't think there's any real point of going through this all over again. I've already done all the math. I've already done videos on the math. I think it's pretty solid strategy. Reinvest $10 in $10 increments as soon as you can. Don't wait. You'll accumulate more interest sooner, and then that'll just continuously increase the amount. And then, you know, if you are able to get to 1,000 or 5,010 or 10,010 without waiting more than a couple days, well then sure, that's probably a good way to think about it. Do it every couple days rather than wait 10 or 15 or 20 days, because you're going to lose interest over time. Okay? So anyways, long story short, I'm at $14 something cents. Let's go back to internet. We're going to close this one down. 0.42, 1.6, and 0.98. I did that wrong. 0.9. Oops, 0.98%. Okay, so that's that. Let's see, we're on 1.46, December 17th, so officially I'm on day 52, and I'm about to make my, I don't even remember which reinvestment. I guess I better go count that. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, my 20th payment. That's worth celebrating right there. Is that right? 20th payment? Or 20th reinvestment? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, I'm making my 20th reinvestment. That is awesome. Ready to go? So you open up your BitConnect account, you'll come up to your dashboard, you'll click on this little reinvest button. If you have enough in one little area, which right here is our accrued profit, bam, click on that bad boy. I don't need to worry about these other ones because I'm not going to accumulate enough anyways. That $2.50 extra is going to go back into my lending wallet. Click on the reinvest button, double check, make sure you understand that the capital release will be 299 days. Hit confirm, and it's going to upload and hit or update and hit close, and we're done. So now we have $4.34. We with 1.46, I imagine we'll get some pretty good interest payment today, and we should be able to reinvest at the same time tomorrow, another $10. And oh, by the way, BCC is up to $425 per BitConnect coin, which is amazing. It continues to grow. BTC Bitcoin is up to 19,000, and I believe it's even higher than that. I think earlier it was a little. Let's see. Do I have the exchange up? I do. Let's check this out. Where was it at earlier today? Look at that. It broke 20,000. Gosh, I can't. That says, oh, 20,052. That's what I see as the high. Probably is higher than that. I just can't see it. But anyways, that is amazing. And there's the market cap and there's the price. Nope. So we're sitting, oh yeah, 20,052. That's where we've broke 20,000 now. That's amazing. Bitcoin continues to grow. People speculated that Bitcoin would make it to 20,000 before Christmas. Well, guess what? It's before Christmas. So they were right. Now the speculation is that Bitcoin is going to make it to 50,000, then 100,000. And there's even speculation that Bitcoin itself will be worth $1 million at one point or another. That sounds crazy. It sounds unbelievable. But the truth is there's only a limited supply of Bitcoin, which definitely would increase its value in the long term because there's only so much of it. There's only 21 million of them in existence. So therefore, and when you have the amount of people in the world, trying to get a hold of Bitcoin, then obviously it makes it more valuable. So that's what's going on, based on the fact that people speculated that it was going to go from 10,000 to 15,000 or 12,000 to 15,000 to 20,000. Now 50,000 is the new speculation, and then 100,000 is the long-term projected speculation. I don't see why it can't go that far. So I'm going to be working my butt off to try to collect as much Bitcoin as possible. Certainly this is a great, certainly this is a very high value, but if it's going to go to 50,000, you better jump in now while you got the chance. And BitConnect coin is another. Let's see if I can go back. BitConnect coin, it also just continues to climb. Look at this. It's constantly up. Let's see. Price is in green. Bitcoin is in. That's BTC. The value per Bitcoin is what's increasing or decreasing here. So you can see the price right here is in green. It constantly is going up, 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 and suddenly there's a huge, I guess, fork, and BitConnect coin continues to just rise. It's amazing. Okay, so this is another one. If you have BitConnect coin, you're sitting pretty. Obviously, a lot of us are invested in the BitConnect system, and that's okay too. We're going to continue to grow our money there. As you can see, my total investment now is $700. It was just $630 last week, I think, so, or a week and a half ago. So you can go back and look at my videos and kind of see the progress that I've made over through time. So we've been doing really well. I'm very happy, and can't wait to. Clearly, I haven't had any capital release yet. I've only been invested in the system for roughly 52 days. I have to wait another 238 days. Is that right? 299 minus 247. So another 247? Yeah, another 247 days before I can get my initial capital release. Because I only invested $100 in the beginning. So, all right. That being said, I'm pretty much done with the video. Just wanted to give you guys an update. Please thumbs up, like the video. Share it if you get a chance. Share with your friends, family. Tag us on Facebook or Twitter or YouTube even. Share us on YouTube. You can share from the YouTube channel to your channel or to your Facebook page or post or community. I think BitConnect is worth looking into. I think BitConnect is worth investing in. Clearly, if you invest 1,010 or 5,010 or 10,010, you're going to get a much better deal on your earned interest rate than if you invest $100. But my journey was to invest $100 to see what the value created over time was. And like I said, I'm on the journey to 200,000. So very quickly, I'm going to be up to $1,000 from my original $100 investment, and soon after that I'll be up to 5,000, and then very quickly after that I'll be up to 10,000. So it's going to happen faster and faster and faster because of the compound interest factor. So I'm very excited about that, and I'm excited that you're following on this journey with me. So let's keep going, and I will try to post every day. If not, I'll post every couple days to keep you updated, and so you can continue to follow the journey to $200,000. Okay? All right, thumbs up, like the video, share it if you get a chance. Please comment and ask any questions below. I'd love to correspond with you and answer those questions. And last thing, don't forget to hit subscribe and the little bell button next to it so you can be updated the next time we upload a video. Thank you so much, and have a great day.